Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. So if you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. In this end, you're going to learn a lot of recipes. So for today, I will be sharing with you how I made this delicious avocado ice cream. Trust me, this is so creamy and then very delicious. Let's get started. Okay, so these are the simple ingredients that we will use for this recipe. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to blend my avocado. So I'm using 3 avocados. You can use as many avocado that you want. So I'm using 3, and then I will be squeezing some lemon juice. You can also use lime, and then you blend it until it's smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can also mash it. That's okay. Adding lime or lemon to this recipe gives it that fresh taste, and I love it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to cream the all-purpose cream, the cream cheese, and sugar with the condensed milk and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch makes the mixture creamy and thicker. Don't be worried if you don't have the all-purpose cream. You can replace with whipped cream or milk powder. That's okay. It also gives you a great taste and then a very nice flavor. Make sure to scrape beneath the bowl and the sides so that you cream everything together. Cream until it's light and then well mixed. Okay, so one more thing, if you don't like the lemon or the lime, you can go ahead and replace with essence, but I like the lemon because it gives it that fresh taste. So at this point, I'll go ahead and add the blended avocados and then cream everything together. Once it's ready, I will be putting it in my baking pan and then I will chill it. The reason why I use the loaf size baking pan is because it chills faster than the bowl. But if you have an airtight container, that's fine, you can also put it, but I think this freezes it faster than the bowl. Okay, so once everything goes inside the loaf pan, cover with a clean wrap and then store it in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. That will give you the best result. If you will not use the loaf pan and then you use an airtight container, you don't need to use the clean wrap, you just cover with the lid of the bowl. Okay, so I just finished my class and then it's 5 p.m. I did this around 11 a.m. So it's ready. Look at how creamy it is. I'm just going to top with some chocolate chips. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can also go for coconut flakes or even the avocado chunks, anything that you want to drizzle on top of your ice cream. Trust me, this was so creamy and then very delicious. I really loved it. I also added some lemon because I really love lemon, but as I said, you can go ahead and top up with anything that you want. Okay, so that's the end of this recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more recipes. God bless you all. Bye bye.